Welcome to this user guide on how to enable post views on TikTok. TikTok is a popular social networking platform that allows millions of users worldwide to share their creative video content. Despite its widespread popularity, some users may not be familiar with the option that enables the display of the number of views on their posts. If you want to better track and understand how your content is performing on TikTok, enabling post views on your posts can be extremely beneficial. Through this guide, step by step, we will teach you how to activate this option on your profile and provide you with helpful tips on how to interpret and make use of view insights. Be prepared to enhance your TikTok strategy and gain better insights into your audience's reactions. Without further ado, let's dive into discovering how to enable post views on your TikTok posts. The first step is to open your TikTok application on your phone. Afterward, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and then select Settings and Privacy from the menu. From the Account section, choose the Privacy option. Scroll down and find the option Post Views. Once you locate it, click on it. The Post View History option allows people to follow who you follow and see who viewed your post. It also allows others to see when you view their posts. Additionally, this option will be available for only 7 days. To enable it, click on the switch here. Now you can see all those post views and share them with anyone else on TikTok. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.